Hi! In front of me is TCL 40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to start by opening your device's keyboard. Following that, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clipboard. Now tap on voice typing and click on this switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Now to start typing, you need to click on no visible microphone icon. If you never used this option before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. When you're ready, click on the same icon to stop. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!